Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new around here, I do a lot of homeschooling stuff. But today it's gonna be different because I'm gonna share with you one of my hobbies. I'm not really sure if it's a hobby because I only do it whenever time permits. But anyway, this is my second kit from DAC or Diamond Art Club. And I was very happy with the first one. It was gifted to me by one of my besties, and she's the one who got me hooked on this. First, she gave us, my son and I, a Van Gogh set and a Van Gogh kit, and my son and I really enjoyed it, and then she gave me another kit from the AC. I think it was for my birthday or something. And then when I had the chance to order this, I did with my other BFF, and I just want to share with you this kit. This is the Soulmates kit from Diamond Art Club. This is 9.8 by 7.9, and let's open this. If you're a diamond painting enthusiast, you'd know that the AC is one of the best brands around here. I mean, and it's also one of the most expensive. So if you want the kit from them, I suggest that you wait for sales, which they regularly have. And the glue on the fabric is really good. They actually say that you need not apply a coat of glue on top of the drills after you finish a painting. And the drills are also good, because I've heard that some drills can be dirty, but their drills are nice and shiny and clean. I'm not gonna open this anymore because they're just drills. And every kit comes with this step-by-step instruction, so if you're new to diamond painting, you'll get that. And also the kit is already complete, so if you're a beginner, you won't have any problems with it. I don't have the fancy accessories for diamond painting because I'm not a hardcore enthusiast like some of my groupies and my friends. So I'm pretty much satisfied with the drill pens that come with the set. Well, who knows, maybe one day I'll order the fancy ones, but for now I'm good with these. I'm satisfied with this. And one of the things that makes it different, the DAC kit, is that they have this grip so that your fingers won't hurt when you've been drilling for a long time. And then their cute heart-shaped wax to make the drill stick. Oh, and they have this as well. My first kit didn't have this. It only contained this drill, and not this attachment, so you can get more drills on one go. I'm very excited to do this kit. I don't know how fast I'll get bored because my ADHD brain won't be able to take it because of the color scheme. They're all dark and blues and purples, violets. So I don't know how long I'll be able to last in one sitting, and I also don't know when I'll be able to finish it, because as you may know, if you're on a homeschooler, especially an independent one, it's so hard to find time for yourself. But I try to find some time. And doing art, sometimes I color, sometimes I journal, so that's my outlet. I'm sharing this with you because I know there are a lot of moms out there who are burning out, and I suggest that you take up a hobby of your own, something artsy to help your creativity and to boost your brain power, like this one. And I highly recommend these DAC kits. If you're in the PH and you want to buy this Soulmate set, I have another one, and also the 4-season set, and I'm going to upload it to our Shopee, which I will link below. So that's it for this video, guys. If you haven't yet, please subscribe and hit like. Thank you, guys. Have a great day. Bye.